Okay. Yeah. So we'll play the horn.
Okay. Horn.
Just to show you.
So this is the sign if we get stuck.
Nice.
And normally it costs 5
€5.
but not today.
We can pay it.
That's a train horn.
Yeah.
We'll pay.
And it wakes everybody up.
Yeah,
it is.
and
like,
everyone
where'd they all
in
go?
the park knows that we are stuck.
That's it.
Yeah, and it's funny when we at the mornings we try the horns that they are working.
Yes.
So when there is customers waiting and we play the horn, it's like oh,
Oh no.
every time.
I love it.
Oh, that's even
That's a great horn.
You got €5?
Yes.
That means you can do it.
Oh, look at
All
him.
right, have fun.
Woo. Bye-bye. So have you used the brakes yet?
Yep.
Yeah, I see you pulling already. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So normally I do this in every curve and also uphills.
Okay, up the hills. All right.
Yeah. It's much easier to brake like now and then I'm off.
Interesting. That's awesome. What the double what? That is pretty. That's amazing. Cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That was
So is a
awesome.
heavy train very different for braking?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Much more braking.
Much more braking and also like a longer normally if it's empty I will brake
Yeah.
but when it's full I'm also braking uphills.
Hills, yeah.
I forget.
It was in their stop.
Yeah, there you go.